Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Mike here, and today we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure again. And today I'm going to be showing you a glitch, but I already did the glitch in my account right here, so I'm probably going to make a different account right now. And in that account, I'll show you how. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I'm back in my new account, and I'll show you how to do it. So first thing is you can't be in a blue, black, or any of the other colors but magenta team. You have to be in the magenta because that's where the glitch is. And what you need to do for this glitch, for the chest, you need to go to this tree over here. I forgot which tree it was, but you have to click one of the trees. I think it's this. Okay, I found it. So you click this branch and then you go here. There's trees, in here, and that tree's right there. And then over this chest, let's see what we get. Ooh, 25 balloons. Okay, that's not bad. A chest, secret chest. Oh wait, I thought it would give gold. Oh. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, bye!